Good morning everyone. As usual no na ata diri karon sa ato ang lasang. Of course, amo na itong sekreto sa atong kinabuhi, guys. Walking every day. So at the age of 47 no. So kailangan healthy, healthy ta, tapos fit no. So this is it. This is my place in the province, guys. So very nice morning here. It is today is June 8, 2025. So bukas na naman, pasok ka naman, then pagka 12 ano Independence Day. So a nice morning here. So nami-miss ko talagang lugar na to, guys. This is where I born, then I grew up here. So bisan asa ko nagpunta, uuwi talaga ako dito, guys. I really miss this place. So for those who are watching, thank you so much, guys. And I hope everyone has a great day today. It's Sunday. Then I know everyone nag-prepare para sa mass po. So thank you for viewing, and I hope that you stay safe, good health, and enjoy the day. Bye bye, and thank you once again. Mabuhay.